Want to manage your family's digital activity from your PC? Google Family Link is a powerful tool to help with that. Let's walk you through how to get started the easy way. Let's get started. First, search Family Link on Google and click the official families.google.com site. Next, click Create a Family Group, then click it again to confirm. Then Google will show your Gmail. If it's correct, click Confirm to proceed. After that, type in the email addresses of your family members, and once you're done, click Send to invite them. Now you'll gain access to features like family sharing, which lets you share apps, calendars, and more, and parental controls, which help you manage screen time, app usage, and filter content across devices. Now you'll gain access to features like family sharing, which lets you share apps, calendars, and more, and parental controls, which help you manage screen time, app usage, and filter content across devices. Bonus tip: if you're managing children's accounts, install the Family Link app on their devices too for full control over screen time, app installs, and location tracking. And that's how you set up Google Family Link on your PC. It's a great way to stay connected and in control. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful guides. See you next time!